Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you very much for tuning back to my channel. My name is Rahul, and welcome to the episode number 2 of season 1 of Weekend Destinations around Bangalore. So, today we are gonna explore Mandaragiri Hills. So, we are in the Mandaragiri Hills right now, and there are 3 important sightseeing places around Mandaragiri Hills that we'll be visiting today. So, the number 1 is right behind me here. So, this is a peacock shaped meditation hall of a Jain temple, and this one is registered in the Guinness Book of World Records as well. So this is number 1. Number 2 is over here there. So that's Mandaragiri Hills, and on the top of the hills there are some Jain temples, and we will go there and we will explore and we'll find out more information about them. Also at the back of the hills there is a lake, so we'll go to the lake and try to explore the lake as well. So I'm excited, so let's go and explore the places. In a quaint village an hour away from Bangalore, there stands a tall giant monolith rock in the village of Panditanahalli, also known as the village of the priest. Although offbeat, it's got a great potential to be a very popular photo shop around Bangalore. The climb to the top is easy. There are 430 steps leading from the entrance at the base of the hill, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to reach the top. A Jain temple or Basadi is located atop the hill, and that's how the name Basadi Betta came to be in Kannada. The Jain temple at the top houses smaller temples or basadis in honor of 3 saints, Bhagwan Chandranatha, Bhagwan Parshvanatha, and Bhagwan Suparshanavantha. In fact, it is believed that 2 of these smaller basadis inside date back to the early 12th century, and the other 2 are from the 14th century. The view on the other side of the hill is mesmerizing. It was the cool wind that really made the day amazing. We spent a long time there, not wanting to leave. The scenery around, the temple in the village below, the fleeting clouds, it was really amazing. In Digambara Jain traditions, it is customary to be dressed in man's most natural form. Digambara monks cherish virtues like non-attachment and non-possession of material objects, and that is why they wear no clothing at all. This giant statue of a Mahavira look-alike was actually built in honor of Chandranatha Tirthankara. He was one of the ascetics who came upon Mandaragiri and propagated the Digambara section in South Karnataka. The monks carry a community-owned pinchi. This pinchi is a broom made of fallen peacock feathers. It's used for removing and thus saving the lives of insects in their path or before they sit. This stunning Guru Mandir shaped like a fan made of peacock feathers is one of the most beautifully designed meditation halls I've ever seen. The Dhyana Mandira is 81 feet tall and shaped like a pinchi.
It is the first of its kind in the history of Jainism that such a dome has been built. This particular temple was built in the honor of Sri Shanti Sagar Ji Maharaj, a Digambara Jain ascetic.
ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಹಾಂ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋರಂದ್ರೆ
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಬೋಲ್.
ಪ್ರಥಮಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಾಗರ್ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್
ಹಾಂ
ತಾಯಿ ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕನಸು ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು.
ಹ್ಞೂ
ಪುಷ್ಪ ತಂದ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕನಸು ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಪುಷ್ಪ, ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಪುಷ್ಪ
ಇದು ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿ ಆದಾಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟ ನಂತರ ಆಹಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ.
ತಂದೆ
ಸಾತಗೌಡ ಅಂತ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
4 ಜನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ
ಹಾಂ
ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾಂ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಿದ್ದಾಗ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ ಅಂತ
ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ ಹಾಂ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅವ್ರ ತಂಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ,
ಹ್ಞೂ
ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ.
ಹಾಂ
9 ವರ್ಷದವ್ರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾಂ
ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಅವರು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀಗಪ್ಪಪ್ಪ, ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರು, ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ ನಂತರ ಏನು ತೀರಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾಂ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಕಾಯಕಂತ ಹಚ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ. ಅವರು
ಹಾಂ
ಕಾಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಮಟಿಗೆದಾಗ ನೀರು ತಂದು ಕಾಳು ತಿಂದು ಹೋಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಹ್ಞೂ
ತಾಕತ್ವಾನಿದ್ರು,
ಕುಸ್ತಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಕುಸ್ತಿ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಲು ತಾಕತ್ವಾನಿದ್ರು. ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿನ ಆಚೆ ಬೇರೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳುಮೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಸುನ ಕುಂಡ್ರಿಸಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಸು ಜೊತೆ ತಾವು ಸ್ವಂತ ಉಳುಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಚಿಲ್ಲಕ್ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ, ಐಲಕ್ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ, ನಿರ್ವಾಣ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ,
ನಿರ್ವಾಣ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ.
3 ಥರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಗುಫಾದಾಗ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ
ಅವ್ರ
ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಜೊತೆಗೆ
ಅವರು ಇದು
ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್.
ಹಾಂ. ಆಹಾರ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪಡಗಾನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೋ,
ಹಾಂ.
ಪಡಗಾನ ಹಾಕಿದ ನಂತರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ನಿಂತು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ,
ಹೌದು.
ನಿಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ.
ಕೈಗಿಂದ ಹಾಕೋದು,
ಹಾಂ.
ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಾಂ
ಪ್ರವಚನ
ಪ್ರವಚನ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಲ್ಲೇಖನ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲೇಖನ ವರ್ತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಆಹಾರ, 2 ದಿವಸ ನೀರ,
ಹಾಂ
3ನೇ ದಿವಸ ಊಟ,
ಊಟ,
4 ದಿವಸ ನೀರ,
ಹಾಂ
5ನೇ ದಿವಸ ಊಟ,
ಹಾಂ
6ನೇ ದಿವಸ ನೀರ, ಈ ಥರ.
The Guru Mandira at Mandaragiri is open for visitors to use and meditate. Even though the doors are kept closed, there is a board at the entrance gate which displays contact details of the attendant. You can freely call the attendant and request for the door to be opened. They also carry the keys to the temple at the top of the Basadi Betta. The best time to meditate is early morning.
So the time is almost 4:15 and we have completely explored the Mandaragiri hills, or also known as the Basadi Betta in Kannada. So as you can see behind me, the peacock shaped meditation hall of the Jain temple, and that's the statue of Chandranatha Tirthankara. And here the Mandaragiri hills which we climbed when we came first. So it's awesome here, especially when you go up on the top and you sit and relax for some time. You feel really awesome. And this meditation hall also is an awesome place. So you can come here early morning and you can do meditation. Photography is not allowed, but however I requested that guy to share some information about the photos and the Jainism inside, so he shared a lot of information which you will see in this video. So all in all, it was a very good weekend spent. I hope I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Rahul in Wonderland. With that said, it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you again next week. Till then, take care, be safe and keep smiling.